Hi guys, so you're seeing a little bit different of a view this time because I am filming a 3D project. I am participating in a Christmas in July hop where every week in the month of July we are posting videos, and this week's theme is either some kind of a like Advent countdown kind of calendar, or you could make a Christmas decoration like an ornament, or you'll see a lot of different things. So I actually made a Christmas decoration and it came out so cute. So let me show you guys. I made a little Christmas tree, and I've been using this entire time, I've been using a collection called Santa's Village, and it is by Simple Stories. And this is my little tree, and it's actually a luminary tree because you can put a light on the inside and it can light up. So I'm just gonna spin it a little bit for you. So I really only decorated like this front. I wanted to make some flowers in like this teal color. Let me kind of show you guys like a close-up because I know the lighting is kind of weird. Let me see if I change this lighting, if it'll make you be able to see it better, or maybe that made it worse. I'm not actually sure. It's really late at night, guys, when I'm recording this. I got started on this project late, but I was determined to get it done on time. So anyway, this is actually a 3D file, and really excitingly, and I'll put it in the description bar, there's a company that I sometimes purchase 3D SVGs from. I've been purchasing from this company a while. Actually, there's two companies that I purchase from, and one of these companies is now on Creative Fabrica, and that is such amazing news because I already had a subscription to Creative Fabrica, so now they just added all of their designs, which they have like, I don't know, probably hundreds of 3D SVGs on there that now are just included in the membership. And if you don't know what Creative Fabrica is, it's basically like a website where you pay like a monthly subscription, but it's like $3 a month. It's very cheap, and you get like unlimited access to like everything they have on there. And they have fonts on there, they have 3D SVGs, they have regular SVGs, they have like regular just images, PNGs that you can turn into stickers, you can cut out on your Cricut, your Silhouette, your brother scan and cut, all the things. And it's actually just a really economical way to craft if you're someone that is on a budget and you maybe don't have funds to buy dyes. I know we have dyes that come out every month and it can get expensive over time, but you essentially pay $3 a month and you get access to all of these things. And it's kind of nice too, because then you kind of get to do projects that no one else is doing, because a lot of people in our swappy community don't use the electronic cutting machines as much as we use die cutting. Now, don't get me wrong, I love die cutting, but sometimes it's nice to do a different project. And so anyway, I'm going to give you kind of a 360 of this. I'm holding it at an angle so you can kind of see it in the light. But I put these flowers on here, and then I realized that I only had 2 of them. So the back is going to be decorated. It's still to be decorated, but I did decorate it with like little things, and I'll do a close-up in a second. But this is mainly how it will look. So I'm going to I'll add more of these flowers, but I have to make them. I actually got these flowers from Julie, who's Craft Designs by Julie on YouTube, and I think she's Jules Fur on Instagram. But anyway, I bought these flowers from her, and then I was putting them on and I didn't realize I only have 2 in the pink color. So I'm gonna have to ask her what dye this is so I can make some more. But let me come close up, and there's a little bow on top that I created, and then I stacked it on top of these other bows that I also made with the tutorial from Poochie Tats here on YouTube. So I'm gonna just kind of show you all the little details. So this is actually vellum that's on the inside here, and these are the bows from Dollar Tree. I mean, not Dollar Tree, the new bows from Hobby Lobby. These are my little pink fresh glitter gems that I love. These are also flowers that I bought from Julie, and then these are flowers that actually someone gifted me, but these are the flowers that Lori makes at Creating for Fun. And I usually make these too, but I did not make these. I got them from someone. And then these are just more of the gems in different sizes, because they come in like this little teeny tiny size that I put up here in all of these little holes. Basically in all the circles I have the gems in there, and I thought it would be really pretty. So in a second I'm going to show you what it looks like, because this actually lights up if you put like an LED light or some kind of light on the inside. But this is basically what it looks like. These little hearts are like from my stash from like years ago from Dollar Tree. And I think it just turned out so cute. It was very easy to put together. It took a long time just because after it was done, I decided to decorate it. Because if you look at the SVG, like they just put it together and they put a little ball on top because, you know, they're not like crafters. They just create SVG files. But this actually opens too. So this actually, you could use it like to like have stuff inside. So you have space here and then you also have space inside of here. And at the very bottom, it has a specialty glitter paper that I got at Ollie's. And then this is just, you know, cardstock. And I actually was going to make this in 110, but I ended up using 80-pound cardstock that I got in one of my hauls from Scrapbooking Made Simple when they had the Sizzix paper on sale. So this is actually Sizzix 80-pound paper that this is made out of, but it feels good. It's sturdy. It's a really nice SVG file, and it's very easy to put together. And I think it came out really well. It came out super neat. I used a combination of hot glue and regular glue. And I'm very pleased with how it turned out. So let me pause the camera and I'm gonna actually light it up, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on so you can see. Maybe I'll turn off this light, we'll see. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now you can see it and it's all lit up, and I put like a very bright white light so you can really see how it lights up. And actually, let me turn off this light and see if that, yeah, now you can see how it lights up. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my gosh, and you can see the light in all the pieces that are vellum, and it even lights up these little dots that I put, and that's what I was kind of hoping. So let me kind of come in and zoom in a little so you can kind of see the lighting. And even at the bottom, you can see in these holes like where it lights up. But it's so pretty, and I think it would be really nice. You can make it in any kind of paper. You could do this in a solid colored like glitter cardstock and it would be beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and sorry if I sound like lower energy. I'm like I don't even want to tell you what time in the morning it is, but just know that it's the day of. It's when you're seeing this video, if you're seeing it on the day I posted it, it's that day already. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe, and make sure you check out all the other ladies. I'm going to put all of the links to their channels because everyone's doing projects. I cannot wait. This week is especially exciting because everyone's doing like kind of bigger projects. So I'm really excited to see all the videos when they come out. But make sure you head over there, look in my description bar. And also, you know what I'm going to do too? I'm going to put a link to Creative Fabrica. So if you want to sign up, I will put a link that you can click to sign up. And I think they're doing like this promotion where you get like a month free, where you get to like download 10 different designs within the month. And then after that, it's only like $3.50 or something like that a month. And you just pay for the year. So you pay like 40 bucks and then you have access for the whole year. So anyway, guys, if you do sign up, be sure to use my link because I think I get some kind of credit. I don't know what it is, but I'll put it down there. But also, just even if you don't want to use my link, that's okay too. Just sign up because it's really a good deal. So anyway, I'm rambling because I'm tired. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.